If you call a business using your Pixel Fold and are put on hold, you can choose to let Google Assistant wait on hold for you. To turn Hold for Me on, open the Phone app. In the top right-hand corner, tap the three dots. Tap Settings. Tap Hold for Me. Turn on Hold for Me. The next time you're put on hold, tap Hold for Me. Tap Start. Your assistant will notify you when the speaker on the other line is ready to speak with you. To return to your call, tap Return to Call.